Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an IELTS vocabulary test. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the meaning of author? The correct option is A person who writes books. Question 2. What is the meaning of automate? The correct option is C. Use machines to do tasks. Question 3. What is the meaning of authority? The correct option is B. Power to give orders. Question 4. What is the meaning of available? The correct option is D. Ready to be used. Question 5. What is the meaning of behalf? The correct option is B. As a representative of. Question 6. What is the meaning of bias? The correct option is D. Unfair preference. Question 7. What is the meaning of aware? The correct option is A. Know something. Question 8. What is the meaning of benefit? The correct option is C. An advantage. Question 9. What is the meaning of bond? The correct option is A. A close connection. Question 10. What is the meaning of brief? The correct option is B. Short in time. Question 11. What is the meaning of categories? The correct option is B. Groups based on similarities. Question 12. What is the meaning of capable? The correct option is D. Able to do something. Question 13. What is the meaning of bulk? The correct option is C. Large size. Question 14. What is the meaning of capacity? The correct option is A. Holding limit amount. Question 15. What is the meaning of seize? The correct option is C. Stop doing something. Question 16. What is the meaning of channel? The correct option is A. A way for communication. Question 17. What is the meaning of circumstance? The correct option is A. A condition or situation. Question 18. What is the meaning of challenge? The correct option is D. A difficult task. Question 19. What is the meaning of chart? The correct option is C. A picture of information. Question 20. What is the meaning of chapter? The correct option is B. A section of a book. Question 21. What is the meaning of clarify? The correct option is C. Make clear. Question 22. What is the meaning of chemical? The correct option is D. Experiments material. Question 23. What is the meaning of sight? The correct option is B. Refer to as evidence. Question 24. What is the meaning of civil? The correct option is C. Relating to citizens. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time. Bye.